of Klothos, and I just think these guys, I think that they are a nice swing trade, and I think that eventually, this is from when they came out with this advanced therapy, this increased longevity and a healthy lifespan. This shot them. People were excited about this, so now I guess we could see how they do. And this isn't anywhere though. Announce the findings of their preclinical studies. Well, I guess, depending on how fast they'll let them, it increased the lifespan of mice 30 to 40% longer. Do you want to live 30 to 40% longer?
No. Like this? What am I going to be
I
doing?
think you would be better. The mice, I think, it cured the mice's aging. That's the point of it. It would fix you. Maybe.
It's gonna grow new bones for me. Good.
I think it could. And now they're going to also do gene therapy. Do you know what gene therapy means?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
It means like it targets some kind of weakness and it gives you, corrects it or something.
Like Superman strength?
No.
How can gene therapy cure cancer, though?
Because certain cancers are genetic.
So they change your genetics when they find out you have the cancer, and then it cures you of the cancer?
No, it's got something to do with
ALS, they're saying.
yeah,
Wow.
It's got something to do with the medicine targets the defaulty gene, or like the chemo, the viral something.
This could be good then. 2 proprietary platforms dramatically drive down the manufacture costs with the AA Vaughan system and the dose required to highly efficient and specific tissue targeting AAVs developed with the Athena platform. This could be exciting. They can target for Parkinson's and ALS, maybe motor neuron diseases.
But did they find the gene that causes it?
We'll find it with AI, maybe. That could be exciting. Klothos, this is a nice partnership here. I'm watching them closely.